On the embankment wall facing Parliament, there is a heart for every single coronavirus victim in Britain. And for those who have a loved one represented here, this scandal has been particularly hard to fathom. Fran Hall is part of the COVID-19 Bereaved Families for Justice group. She lost her husband Steve in the pandemic last year.
The country as a whole, we've done what we've been asked to do. So to find out that it doesn't apply, this rule of keeping your distance and not interacting with other households, two people in charge, it's so disappointing. And it's so worrying as well, because all moral authority has gone.
Regaining that moral authority will clearly not be easy though. That much evident at an anti-lockdown protest in central London just hours before Matt Hancock's resignation. But Sajid Javid faces several other challenges too. 15 months into the pandemic, NHS staff are at breaking point, not just from their physical toil, but at what they see as a lack of recognition. Unions are still demanding the government increase its recommended 1% pay rise to prevent staff leaving. Then there's the backlog of patients, more than 5 million on the formal waiting list for treatment, and an estimated 7 million more who have stayed away from hospital during the pandemic. The pressures are unprecedented.
So his first task really is to restore some calm. He needs to give the reassurance that he's fully informed about the position we're in. He knows the science, he knows where we are, and that he needs to ensure that he asks for trust and that he's going to offer that back to the public.
Even for an experienced pair of ministerial hands, it is not an easy task. The government's lockdown mantra of togetherness in danger of falling apart. Ivor Bennett, Sky News.